In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion daily planner. We're going to build a simple daily planning page that helps you stay organized, focused, and clear on what matters most each day. The goal here is not to make something overly complicated. Instead, we want a planner that feels easy to use, quick to update, and helpful from the moment you start your day to the moment you wrap it up. To begin, create a new page in Notion for your daily planner. You can give it a clear title so it's easy to recognize and come back to later. This page will become your main space for daily planning, so think of it as your personal dashboard for the day. Keeping everything in one place makes it much easier to stay on track. Next, add sections for your schedule, priorities, tasks, and notes. These sections give your planner structure and make it easier to scan quickly. Your schedule section is where you can map out the flow of your day. Your priorities section helps you focus on the most important things first. Your tasks section holds the action items you want to complete, and your notes section gives you a space for reminders, ideas, or anything unexpected that comes up during the day. After that, add a checklist or a task database for your daily tasks. If you prefer something simple, a checklist works great because it's fast and easy to update. If you want a little more flexibility, a task database can help you organize tasks in a more detailed way. Either option works well, so choose the one that best fits how you like to plan. If you want an hourly schedule, add time blocks to your planner. This is especially useful if you have meetings, deadlines, or specific work sessions you want to protect. Time blocks can help you assign a place in the day for each activity, which makes your schedule feel more realistic and intentional. Once that's set up, mark your top priorities for the day. This is one of the most useful parts of the planner because it helps you separate urgent or meaningful work from everything else. Even if your full task list is long, your priorities show you what absolutely needs your attention. As you move through the day, check off tasks as you finish them. This keeps your planner current and gives you a clear visual sense of progress, which can be motivating and satisfying. At the end of the day, review what you accomplished and move unfinished tasks forward. This helps you close out the day with clarity and sets you up for a smoother start tomorrow. With this setup, your Notion daily planner becomes a practical tool you can rely on every single day.